Hey, what's going on? Hey, it's Coach here. Hey, I'm outside of a dealership, as you can see, waiting for a customer of mine that I brokered the deal for, auto brokered the deal for, and very nice young lady. I just want to tell you a little bit about the process. A couple of things that came to mind that I wanted to maybe drop these couple of nuggets so I could help you guys if you're going to buy your own vehicle. Look, first of all, make a selection. Look, if you don't know what you want, I know sometimes, especially with new car, it may take you a couple times to drive a car. Just let the dealer know you're out to test drive a car. But once you know what car you want, really, instead of going to 100 places, calling 100 places, take a deep breath. Here's what you want to do. First of all, research the dealers, look at their reviews, especially with new cars, and get their dealer fees. People always talk about out the door, out the door. Yeah, out the door is cool, but if you get an out the door price that you can live with, you still might be paying too much. Get what their fees are. Get what their add-ons are. Look, out the door, the sale price, a lot of these places have add-ons, and then they'll have tax and license. Figure out what the license are, because they'll have some other fee packed into the license plates, which is crazy. So I would say get your add-on and all their fees that come after the purchase first, before you go into a dealership, or even before you start negotiating. Know what that is. And because on this deal, we definitely found out, and I've worked with several dealers here in town in Atlanta, but I tell you, man, some of these guys' packs are, these add-on fees are ridiculous. There was one dealer that had a $3,900 fee, then an additional, after tax, was additional $1,000 fee. These are all things that they make money on outside of the vehicle, and it's unnecessary. So I see why people go to Carvana and go to places where they pay $4,000 or $5,000 too much for, just because of the convenience. And this is for you dealers. Stop it, man. I understand sometimes you're selling a vehicle at invoice, but please, $3,900, really? So I just wanted to drop this for you. Look, if you want a hassle-free purchase, somebody who has 35 years of experience like myself, to call your dealership, especially on a new car or anywhere you are in the country, I will make that deal for you, make it seamless for you. Whether if you have a trade-in, if you want to buy a new, used, it doesn't matter. I'll make it stress-free. All you have to do is go in and sign the paperwork, and you're in and out within an hour. Go to my stand store. You can get I got a free consultation. If you want to skip ahead of the line, because sometimes it might get backed up, just sign up today, especially if you found your vehicle and you want me to intervene and get in the middle of it to save you some money and make this deal. So I figured I would share that with you. Until the next one, be safe and happy car buying. Hopefully it's a good process and you're happy with your purchase. All right, I'm out.